Welcome to miniOrange. Today we are going to see how Joomla OAuth Client plugin integrate with Okta as OAuth Server. Now go to Dashboard of Joomla. Click on System. Click on Extensions under Install. Now click on Install from Web. In search box, search as OAuth Client. Now select miniOrange OAuth Client. Click on Install. Click on Install. Click on Start using miniOrange OAuth Client plugin. Now select Okta as OAuth Provider. Now let's configure Okta as OAuth Provider. Log in to Dashboard of Okta. From left menu section click on Applications, under this click on Applications. Now click on Create App Integration. Select Sign-In method as OIDC OpenID Connect. Select application type as a web application. Click on Next. Now enter app integration name as Joomla OAuth Client. Here you have to enter callback or redirect URL from Joomla OAuth Client plugin. Copy redirect or callback URL. Paste redirect URL in the field of sign-in redirect URIs. Give control access by click on radio button of allow everyone in your organization to access. Now untick the enable immediate access with Federation broker mode. Click on save button. Application created successfully. Now copy the client ID. Paste the client ID. Now copy the client secret. Paste the client secret. For domain name, click on Profile in the top right, then you can see your domain name. Now enter your domain name of Okta. For Okta, untick the checkbox body. Then click on Save Settings button. Now click on Test Configuration button. Select attribute name for email attribute as email. Select attribute name for username attribute as preferred username. Now click on Save Attribute Mapping button. Attribute mapping saved successfully. To perform the SSO, copy the login or SSO URL. Open new browser or private window and then paste the SSO URL in search box and search it. Now you will be redirected to your OAuth Server login page. Enter your Okta credentials for login. You have successfully logged in to Joomla using Okta's credentials. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated Joomla OAuth Client plugin with Okta as OAuth Server. If you have any questions or any sort of assistance in configuring the plugin, or if you want any custom features, then reach out us, we will add it for you. miniOrange provide best SAML single sign-on solution. Thanks for watching.